How nice is that, guys, on the way to Mambercal? Absolutely beautiful, absolutely spectacular. Guys, I love Don Vasco, and that's the shop. We've been for a drink of water, so we're going to come and do a vlog on this church. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We're going into the mountains, so that's it. I love Don Vasco. That's the beautiful church. Down the bottom there, we found it! Hey! Hi guys, we're in Mambercal. Absolutely beautiful. That's where we are. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're on the river, and this is the river from the mountains. So we're here in Mambercal, absolutely beautiful. So be careful. Absolutely beautiful. So that's our pool. We found a little pool. There is quite a lot of people here, guys. Looks like there's an house up there. So that's where we are, Mambercal. Hi guys, we're here in Mambercal. This is the 7th Waterfall. So I've asked some of these guys, and it's the 7th Waterfall. I'm actually going to turn it round in a moment. So I will actually turn it round in a moment. But this is the 7th Waterfall, and it's here in Mambercal. What do you think? Absolutely spectacular. So it's a long way up, guys. It's a long way up. So I'll actually reverse the camera and I'll show you. The 7th Waterfall. Absolutely wonderful. We're here in Mambercal, guys, with Bubble River, and it's a long, long way up. So it's a long way up the river. Looks like there's a lot of quite a few guys here. So that's it, look. Absolutely beautiful. Here in Mambercal. Wow. This is it, guys. The 7th Waterfall. Here in Mambercal. The 7th Waterfall. Wow. So that's it, guys. The 7th Waterfall. Wow. Absolutely spectacular. Yeah, I'm going in for a swim. That's it. The girls have gave. Oh yeah, I've had one before. Look, that's what it is. Yeah, I didn't know it was that. So thank you very much. Thank you. So I'm going to try this. Look what one of the girls had gave me. So that's right. So the girls at the back have actually gave me one of these to try. I think I've actually had one of these, but how nice is that? Lovely girls. Give me a bit of fruit, let's try. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks a lot, girls. Absolutely lovely. Right. That's the waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. Ups a daisy.
Say something!
Hello guys, please like, please subscribe, please share the videos, thumbs up, take care, God bless.
Tell them about
Here in Mambercow, this is the 7th Falls guys. So
There's
we're
another
here
fall.
at the 7th Falls. Wow.
There's another
It's
one.
big, there's another one at the top. But this is the 7th Falls. Absolutely beautiful, take care, God bless. Please make a comment.
That's it?
Hi guys, this is where we are. This is the life, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's the waterfall behind us. It's absolutely glorious. Absolutely beautiful. The water, yeah, the water. It's absolutely freezing. It's absolutely lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, I'm going to try and get out at some because it's very, very, very hot. That's where we are guys, I'll show you. guys, we're actually here in Mambercow. Right, let me just watch what I'm doing. Right, so actually this is the 7th Waterfall and it's in Mambercow. It's not in Mambercow Resort. Before you get down Mambercow Resort, you take a right. And we're up in the mountains. So actually, you know, you get a little bit bored. So we thought we'd come out and enjoy the river because it's free. So it doesn't cost a penny. So that's where we are, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Are you going in? Going in. Yes, look at it. Yeah, I'm doing a video, Jovelyn. Can't you see I'm doing a video? I hope everyone's fine and taking care. Hi guys, this is the 7th Fall up in Mambercow. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Take care, God bless, guys. And then guys, it's a long track up here and you can see we have to climb. We have to go across the river. So if you're fit, you're okay. But if you're not so fit, don't come up, guys. But if you're fit, you're okay. Hi guys, I've got my helmet on one arm, I've got my bag and I'm carrying a big rucksack. So I've actually, which you can't see, I'm carrying a big rucksack. So quite hot as well. Okay, thumbs up, take care. Wow. So we're heading down the mountain. Yeah, I've got to watch where I'm watching for sugar. I was watching for snakes coming up, and all I saw is big lizards. You know, you see something move, you think snake, but no, they're normally big lizards. Right, I'll reverse the camera. Wow. Right guys, so like I said, she's here coming up for me because I'm carrying, but now I'm doing a video in one hand and the rest of the equipment in the other hand. So that's it guys, we're off down the mountain. When I can cross the river, I'll do another video so you can see, look. Now my lace is undone. Right, actually my phone fell in water, so I'm hoping this phone works when I get home. It fell in water and just managed to grab it, so it did go in water quarter way under where ports are, so I'm hoping it's okay. Right guys, we're going down river. Yeah, Joverly says it is quite a way actually guys, it's quarter of a kilometre, half a kilometre up the mountain. But you know, when you're going up the mountain, you've never been before, it's a long way. So we're going to cross here, so I'll put my phone in my helmet. That's my helmet. So I stick my phone in my helmet. You know, if I fall in, I'll make sure my helmet's above. But there's a lot of beautiful big butterflies up here. So that's it. We're going to cross the river guys. It's not so bad now guys. We're more or less down. Well, we're not down, quite a little way, but we're where we want to be now. Wow, this is where somebody lives here, look. He's got a little puppy there. I'm actually walking down holding the camera. I'm coming, there's a little puppy there at someone's house. Absolutely lovely. Joveline. Oh yeah, look what she's found. I mean, coming up you see all this, but going down actually you don't see it. Yeah, we can stay here, it's nice. So we're going to stay here guys, it's nice, it's a nice big puggle. And it's a little bit secret. That's someone's house. Here in the mountains, absolutely beautiful. So, oh wow, big butterflies. They're like birds, they're that big, some of them. So that's it. We're going to put his gear on the floor here, and then we're just going to look. Somebody's actually made that weir, that waterfall. Spectacular. I hope it's not the guy's bath. Right, this is where we're stopping now, look. We're stopping on this river, and as Joveline says, this river is free. It's free to see the waterfall, the seventh waterfall here in Mambacal, and it's free, there's no entrance, so you can come and spend the day here. It's free, you can't beat it, especially when you're on a budget. So that's it, look, absolutely beautiful. Right, we're off in. Wow, absolutely beautiful. That's what we're going to do, look guys, we're here, look. We found a nice water pool, absolutely lovely. So that's what we're going to do actually. We're going to have a little swim, lig about in the water. So that's it, thumbs up, take care, God bless. Absolutely beautiful. Here in Mambacal. please make a comment. Please like and share. Beautiful day, absolute on the river. Hi guys, hey, it's the new river dance. Right, I'll upload this one to TikTok. Take care, God bless. We're here in Mamberkyle. That's the 7th Fall, absolutely beautiful. Take care, God bless. Please like, please subscribe. Please check my YouTube channel out. Right guys, we're near down the bottom of the mountain now. Not so bad, we've just been swimming, as you'll see in the previous video. Right guys, that's where we've just come from, at the top of the mountain. Not exactly the top of the mountain. You know, there is another waterfall at the top of the waterfall we've just been to. But the local people say it's very, very dangerous up there and it's very slippy. And it's a big, big climb. So that's your ponds, look, fish ponds. Back on we're actually walking down the side of the river. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Absolutely spectacular. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're off down the river. We're heading back to Mercia, guys. This is where we are. Absolutely beautiful. Looks like there's a shed or some type of hut there. So we're downriver now, guys. That's where we're going. Guys, we're up here in Mamberkyle. We've stopped at this cafe actually. We've been to the 7th Fall here in Mamberkyle. Not Mamberkyle, not the resort Mamberkyle, we're up in the mountains. So we are up in the mountains and it's all free, absolutely beautiful. It's near to Mamberkyle, but it's not Mamberkyle. Like I said, that's where we are, look, up in the mountains. So we're in a cafe. Here he is. We got stuck actually at the back of that big lorry. So we got stuck at the back of this big lorry, but he actually pulled over, made about 3 foot to get past him, so he let us pass.
That's the name,
Oh yes, that's the name. We're here at the cafe. I think 3rd time we've been here actually. Yeah, it's a beautiful view. Absolutely gorgeous. I know sometimes I'm starving.